be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets, but most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna beef. Cause I came out the streets, with a vision. I had to get it, I really got money, now none of it vision. And my niggas winning, now that don't mean it ain't going back. People be starving, want you to start with them. Most people want it, don't wanna go get it. I'm never hungry, I'm being like 50. I'm never talking unless it's my fingers. Foot on the pedal, taking the game to a whole nother level. I'm coming up so they scared of me, like tried to bury me. Came out the mud with a shovel, head on a swivel like Mayweather. I'm going up like it's Mayweather, I'm blowing up, I'm going up. My people say that they so proud of me, I'm going up, yeah, yeah. That shit crazy, man. Nigga was down a year ago. A lot of people don't know my story. I'm just glad I'm here to tell it. Cause I came out the streets, but most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check. Run it back up in the weed, run it back up in the weed, yeah, yeah. Louis Vuitton on my back, but still rocking them bands on my feet. Nobody fucking with me, I got back on my feet, now they don't wanna be. Cause I came out the streets. Remember them long nights, it was me and my dog. Now we taking them long flights, just me and my dog. Remember when nobody called to check on the nigga, now I'm really popping. When I hit the mall, I blow me a check on the bitches. Don't fuck with you haters, you talking best talk with your chest, little nigga. Check yourself out, put one in your chest, little nigga. They wanted to smoke, now they talk out their neck to a nigga. Gotta stay woke, they ain't catching me slipping. Never go broke down my way to riches. Used to dream about the way that I'm living. Look up at the sky and thank God that I made it. Was down in the streets and came out with it, saving the money I'm craving, but I'm never changing. Down on my ass, the Lord put a pin on my hand and said this is my blessing. So I'ma keep going no matter what happens. Stay humble, can't fall in the trapping. Can't give it up, I'm never tapping. Stay rid of my niggas, I'm never capping. Was locked in them chains, now I'm finally free. I came out the streets where most of these niggas be creep. Remember nights I didn't sleep, now I blew a check.